So not too bad. I just got done using the ultimate compound on this 3rd gen 4runner, and it really brought out the white. Have a previous video of using the ultimate compound on the hood, and after doing the hood and doing such a great job on it, I went on to do the rest of the body of the 4runner, and I'm very happy with the results. I'm still gonna have to do the roof because I actually only did the parts where people can actually see, and then over here. So to do the roof, see, it's still very rough, and then over here it's very nice, very nice. And then that part not done yet, but 1997 4runner, 300,000 miles, original paint, everything looks pretty good. Probably have to I don't know if I can actually do the same to the engine bay, but quick video of the engine bay right here. Clean enough. Scarab light, a little bit dusty, but that's pretty much it right there. So very happy with the way this project is going. Now it's gonna go back into the warehouse, and tomorrow I will apply the wax. I can't believe how white this guy got. It's amazing.